The Golgi apparatus is a cellular organelle known for its central role in the processing, sorting, and transport of soluble and membrane proteins to intra- and extracellular destinations. During passage, proteins undergo an ordered series of covalent modifications, forming a multi-stage processing unit. It consists of a collection of flattened, membrane-enclosed compartments called cisternae. A Golgi stack is a series of these cisternae interconnected by tubular and vesicular connections, forming a complex network. There are 5 defined cisternae, distinct from each other by their function, enzymatic properties, and their contents. Patrick and his friends arrive at the Urgic, a trendy new bar where everyone is starting their modifications. Promo guys at the Urgic are giving out tickets for other venues Patrick and his friends are considering going to later. They allow them to modify their serine and threonine residuals with N-acetylglucosamine. Patrick and his friends then get really phosphorylated by protein kinases. When Patrick and his friends are ready to go to the next destination, they localize to a vesicle heading to the cis-Golgi network, along with any others who might tag along. When Patrick arrives at the cis-Golgi network, there's a door fee, and everyone is charged mannose by GLC-NAC phosphotransferase. More rounds of protein kinases phosphorylate Patrick and his friends even more. If any of Patrick's friends aren't modified correctly, they'll be identified and sent back to the ER to try their luck again, whereas Patrick continues on to the next destination. When Patrick arrives at the cis-Golgi network, there's a door fee, and everybody is charged mannose via a GLC-NAC phosphotransferase. But fortunately for Patrick and his friends, they all gain an N-acetylglucosamine. He and his friends then get targeted to a vesicle travelling to its next destination, the transcisternae. However, like the cis-Golgi, any of his friends that aren't modified correctly get sent back to the ER. The next destination in Patrick's epic pub crawl, the transcisternae, has some special drinks, gal-transferase and NANA transferase. These add galactose and sialic acid to Patrick and his friends. With the pub exhausted of drinks, they enter their vesicles ready for the final destination of the Golgi, the trans-Golgi network. When Patrick and his friends get to the trans-Golgi network, they order up another NANA transferase, adding more sialic acid. Sulfates are then added to Patrick's tyrosine by an enzyme to help his localization to different vesicles later on. Like before, Paul's here to review the processes that occur within the Golgi.
Created using Powtoon.